Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on development of funnel. Draw the lateral surface development of a funnel as shown in figure. This is the figure of funnel. All details dimension are clearly given. This is part 1. This is cylindrical shape. This is part 2. This is cone shape. First term of cone means it is cut at that portion, cut such that the cut surface are perpendicular to its axis. In part 1, this is the cylinder. This diameter is 524. This portion is 40 millimeter. This portion is 24 millimeter. In part 2, base of the cone diameter 544, height of the upper base and the cutout portion is 24. This diameter is 524. Okay. First, we draw the cylindrical part 1. Draw vertical line 40 millimeter length. Draw horizontal line from this point. This is 24 millimeter. Again draw vertical line. This is 24 millimeter. Next, join this portion. Join this end and this end. Now, from the midpoint of this line, that means 12 millimeter distance, this is 24, 12 millimeter distance at midpoint, draw the center line or axis line. Okay. Now we draw cone shape second part. This is cone shape second part. This is the 24. At midpoint, this is the center line or axis line. Now draw a parallel line, distance 24, parallel to this distance 24 distance, then from center point, this is 44, from center point it is cut 22 millimeter, from this point it is cut 22 millimeter. Next, joint this portion and join this portion. Okay, by this way we draw the complete figure of the funnel. Okay, now first we draw the development of part 1. First, draw this figure. This is the center line. Draw with this center line a circle of dia phi 24. This is phi 24. Draw the circle. Equal to 24 diameter. Now divide the circle into 12 equal division by 30 degree and 60 degree. Equal division with the help of 30-60 set square. Next, mark this point. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark this point up to 12. Okay. Now draw parallel projection line from this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Draw parallel projection line from 2 and 12. Draw the parallel projection line from 3 and 11. Draw the parallel projection line from 4 and 10. This is center line. From 9 and 5. Draw parallel projection line. From 8 and 6. Draw parallel projection line. From 7. Draw parallel projection line. Okay. Now from this point and this point, draw parallel line. From this point, draw parallel projection line. Now this circle is divided into 12 equal parts. All part 1, 2, this part, or 2, 3, this part, any part are equal. With pencil compass, we take any part and from a suitable point we cut this point, this point, this point. We take 12 part. We take 12 part. We mark 12 part. After marking, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. All these points are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. Again 1. Okay. Then from this point we draw perpendicular line, projection line, perpendicular projection line. From all these points we draw perpendicular projection line. We draw perpendicular projection line from 11, from 12, again from 1. Now this is point 1. In elevation this is point 1. We mark this point, cut the 1 number line, mark this 1 number line. This is 2 and 12. This point in elevation 2 and 12. So draw projection line, parallel horizontal projection line. It is cut 2 number line and 12 number line. This is 11 and 3. This is 11 and 3. From this point draw parallel projection line. It is cut at 3 at this point. It is cut at 11 line at this point. This is 10. This is 4. From this point, from elevation, from this point, it is cut at 4 number line and also 10 number line. This is 9 and 5 point. From 5 and 9 point we draw parallel line. This is 5 point. This is 5 point, cut this point. This is 8 and 6. This is 8 and 6. From this point draw 6 number line and 8 number line. This is 7 number point. From this point draw the parallel line. This is cut. Join this point. Join this point. This is the development of the first part, cylindrical part. Okay. Now we draw the development of the part 2. This is cone shape. First draw this and draw the center line. With this center line we draw a circle of diameter 44 millimeter. First, draw the circle with diameter 44 millimeter. Now, divide the circle into 12 equal parts by 30 degree and 60 degree with the help of 30-60 set square. This is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. In opposite direction, this is 60 degree. In opposite direction, this is 30 degree. This is the center line. This is also the center line. Now, mark this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From this point, we draw vertical projection line up to the base of the truncated cone. Draw vertical projection line from 12 and 2, from vertical projection line from 11 to 3, 11 and 3 up to the base, from vertical projection line from 10 to 4, from vertical projection line from 9 point and 5 point, from vertical projection line from 8 point and 6 point, from vertical projection line from 7 point. Okay, now we joined from this point, this point, this point, this point up to the vertex. First joined this generator, we extend this generator up to the center line, we extend this generator up to the center line. Now joined from this point to the vertex, from this point means 3 and 12, from this point joined up to vertex, this is O, joined this point up to the vertex, join this point 5 and 9, this point up to the vertex, 6 and 8, this point joined up to the vertex. Here, this generator and this generator are two length, and this generator, this generator, this generator, this generator and this generator are not two length. We draw horizontal line up to this two generator, horizontal line. All these generator length are this length. Now with this length we draw a arc with radius this length. Draw an arc, draw an arc radius is this 2 length. Now this circle is divided into 12 equal parts. All parts are equal, all parts 10 to 9 or 9 to 8 or 7 to 6. With pencil compass we take any dimension, all dimensions are equal, we take any measurement and we cut this, Now we mark from this point 12 part. Actually we take 12 part. We mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and again 1. After marking all points, we join 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 in this way, 0, 12 and 0, 1. This generator and this generator are 2 length. This generator are not 2 length, this generator are not 2 length, this generator are not 2 length, all these generator are 2 length. From this point and this point we draw horizontal line. This is the 2 length of all generator. So all these generator 2 length are this length. This is the 2 length. Now from 0, 1 we cut this length, and with pencil compass with center O we draw a arc, draw the arc. Now this is the development of the part 2. Okay, it is clear, my student? Development of the funnel, it is divided into 2 parts, development of part 1 and development of the part 2. Okay, thank you.